Hey there, welcome to Make Money from Your Home. I'm so excited you're here. This channel is dedicated to helping you discover real ways to earn an income from the comfort of your own home. Our mission is simple: to empower regular people like you to create income from home using practical, proven strategies. Whether you're dreaming of a little extra spending money or a full-blown online business, you've found the right place. So what can you expect from this channel? Real strategies and practical content. I'll be sharing step-by-step videos on everything from affiliate marketing to using simple AI tools to create passive income streams. We'll dive deep into affiliate marketing, digital products, and so many creative ways to make money online. And the best part? You don't need a huge budget or fancy tech skills to get started. Slide 5 is a visual. I only share what actually works. If it's a method I talk about, you can bet I've tested it myself. No hype, no get-rich-quick nonsense, and definitely no fake screenshots here. This is a space for people who are serious about building something real, from the comfort of their home, in their own time, and on their own terms. We're here to help you create a sustainable income. To make sure you don't miss out, we have a regular content schedule. New videos are released regularly, so be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated. Thank you so much for stopping by. I promise to provide you with helpful content to help you work for yourself and build a life on your own terms. Let's get started. Take your first or next step toward working for yourself and building a life on your own terms. I'm excited to be on this journey with you.